Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking platform that is revolutionizing the world of creativity, OpenArt. In a time where technology continues to shape our lives in unprecedented ways, OpenArt stands out as a beacon of innovation. Offering a suite of features designed to empower creatives and elevate their work to new heights. OpenArt is not just another tool, it's a game changer. Powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, this platform opens doors to a vast collection of high-quality visuals that were once only imaginable in the realms of science fiction. Imagine having access to an endless array of AI-generated images, each one a masterpiece in its own right, waiting to inspire and ignite your creative spark. Allow me to illustrate how OpenArt operates with a simple example. To begin, we start by logging into our OpenArt account. Once you're logged into your OpenArt account, let me demonstrate one of its key features, the AI-powered Realistic Image Transformation tool. Let me click on Realistic Image Transformer. Now, simply click on the Upload Image button. Choose an image from your laptop that you'd like to modify its features. Next, describe the specific features you'd like to alter in the image. And then click on Generate. Now, observe how beautifully the image is redesigned according to your specifications. Additionally, you have the option to click on the Download button to save the modified image. Now let me demonstrate how to create an image using a sketch. Just click on the Sketch Image option, then select Upload Image, and choose an image from your laptop. Now let me show you how my image looks like. This is the image that I envisioned and wanted to bring to life through the power of artificial intelligence. Next, describe the specific features you'd like to alter in the image. And then click on Generate. Take a moment to appreciate how exquisitely the image has been transformed according to your preferences. In closing, let us express our deepest appreciation for the incredible capabilities of OpenArt's AI. Its ability to transform images with precision, creativity, and beauty is truly remarkable.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest videos.